Hello everyone, today we will review the Samsung RU7100. Also known as the 7 series, is available in 6 sizes ranging from 43 inches to 75 inches. For this review, we bought the 55-inch version of the RU7100, but we don't expect there to be any major differences in performance between screen sizes. The RU7100 looks simple and unassuming, virtually indistinguishable from any budget TV with its half-inch, flat black plastic bezels interrupted only by a small silver bar bearing the Samsung logo in the middle of the bottom bezel. The Samsung RU7100 proves itself a strong competitor for the best TV under $500, offering a great price, strong feature set and decent overall performance, for both picture and sound. It won't blow you away with its HDR capability, or advanced smart features, but the RU100 gives you all of the apps you would expect, along with smart speaker support. It's also awesome for gaming, pairing that performance with automatic game mode, great response times and solid support for 4K games and content. For a 4K smart TV that sells for under $500, the Samsung RU7100 offers plenty of value for your dollar.
With more than 5,500 cases, and like you mentioned today, we just got the numbers again, and Florida again exceeded 5,000 cases. Governor Ron DeSantis doubling down, saying that he is not requiring masks statewide. Brianna.
Rosa Flores, thank you so much. Live for us from Miami.
Jeg kan også sige, at jeg er overrasket over, at det ikke har været større fordel for at spille på hjemmebane. Det vil kun se os, de kan altså være så bekendt med, end det har været, men bare til at veje specielt.
The remote control that comes with the RU7100 is an improvement over the old entry-level Samsung remotes, but I still find its buttons to be a bit cluttered, and has no pinhole microphone for using Samsung's Bixby voice assistant.